Why you should wake up early. People who get up early regularly tend to stick to a routine and are better prepared for what comes their way. For example, they're not rushing to get somewhere, allowing them to mentally focus on the day ahead and not feel overwhelmed about being late. Healthier diet. Running out the door to get to the office because you pressed snooze 6 times likely means you didn't have time to enjoy a healthy breakfast. Instead, you might have skipped the meal altogether or grabbed something quick and unhealthy like a donut or bagel. Ideally, you should eat a healthy breakfast too, containing whole grains, lean protein, low-fat dairy, fruits, and vegetables. Enhances productivity. We mentioned that many highly successful people are also early risers, and they're not wasting those hours either. That extra time in the morning provides more free space to get things done without distractions, such as working out, taking care of chores and errands, or getting a jump start on work. By contrast, if you get out of bed at the last possible second, you're more likely to feel as though you're playing catch-up all day. Better mental health. When feelings of depression arise, additional time in the morning could also help boost your mood. A 2021 study from the University of Colorado at Boulder examined 840,000 people and found that even waking up an hour earlier reduced their risk of depression by 27%. The researchers think that perhaps one reason behind these results could be that early risers have more access to light, a natural mood booster. Awakening earlier in the day also allows more time to relax, enjoy quiet time, and take extra moments just for you. If you're not sure how to spend your free time in the mornings, consider meditating, exercising, reading a book, or just relaxing with a nice cup of coffee. More time to exercise. As mentioned, you can use the extra time in the morning to get in some physical activity. After a long day at your job, you're probably eager to get home and have dinner with your family rather than go to the gym. However, exercising first thing in the morning means you'll have your workout completed already, which should provide a nice energy boost and leave you feeling more accomplished. Improved sleep quality. People who wake up early tend to go to bed earlier, too. Often, their routines are so well established that they're in bed at the same time every night. Having a set schedule should provide better rest because it maintains your body's internal clock. So when it's daytime, you should feel more alert, and conversely, when it's dark out, your body naturally produces melatonin, a hormone that induces sleepiness. Beat the traffic. There's nothing like being stuck in traffic, especially when you're already running late for work, that can send your blood pressure skyrocketing. So if you're tired of sitting in traffic jams, waking up earlier should help you get out the door faster, leaving you less likely to hit that morning rush hour and experience the frustration that comes with it. Furthermore, driving in a state of stress and hurry may cause you to make more unsafe choices or engage in road rage. Get enough sleep. When you're deprived of rest, this can make it more challenging to wake up on time, let alone earlier. We covered that the ASM recommends healthy adults get 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night, so plan accordingly. For instance, if you want to start waking up at 6 a.m. and feel the most rested with 8 hours of sleep, you should go to bed at 10 p.m. If you find that you're not tired when your scheduled bedtime rolls around, establish a calming bedtime routine like reading or drinking sleep tea. Maintain a consistent wake-up time. Once you've established your ideal wake-up time, stick to it. Maintaining this schedule will keep your circadian rhythm in check, which should help you sleep better and make it easier to fall asleep and get up on time. To help you stay on track, schedule early morning activities such as a hike with friends or family, a workout session with a trainer, or a coffee meetup. If you need slightly more rest come Saturday or Sunday, only allow yourself an extra hour. Don't overeat before bed. A full belly can be uncomfortable when you're trying to doze off, or for those susceptible to gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, This could trigger acid reflux or heartburn. That being said, hunger pains could also have you tossing and turning. Rather than having a large meal close to your bedtime when you're hungry, opt for a light and healthy snack to curb your hunger without leaving you stuffed. Avoid alcohol and caffeine. While a cup of joe in the morning can help you feel alert, consuming caffeine too late in the day could prevent you from falling asleep at night. So instead of reaching for an energy drink or latte when you need a pick-me-up, splash cold water on your face or go outside for a brisk walk. Put the alarm clock far from the bed. Here's a trick to help you get out of bed. Put your alarm clock further away from you. When the alarm is right next to you on a nightstand, you might be more inclined to hit that snooze button and stay in bed. However, placing the alarm clock on the other side of the room forces you to get up once it starts buzzing. Plan your mornings. To help you feel motivated in the morning, develop a schedule of what you'd like to do. Not only should this encourage you to wake up, but it can also help you be more efficient and avoid forgetting important tasks. Your morning schedule can be whatever you want to include, such as exercise, showering, paying bills, or making your lunch for work. Avoid electronic devices at bedtime. Experts advise cutting off your use of electronic devices such as laptops and smartphones 30 minutes before you hit the sack. The first is that these devices emit a blue light that hinders melatonin production. At night, production increases to help you feel more sleepy, but this artificial light can impair that process. Secondly, you may encounter some upsetting information when scrolling through your emails or social media that could leave your mind racing when it's time to fall asleep. To help you break away from your tech devices, avoid keeping them in your bedroom if you can. Notifications going off during the night could have you reaching for the phone. Open your curtains. Another trick to consider is leaving the bedroom blinds slightly open so that when it's morning, the daylight can help you feel more energized. Just as the dark fosters tiredness, sunlight promotes alertness. If you don't feel comfortable leaving the blinds open, you can also use wake-up lights, which are designed to mimic natural light. Although you can practice these tips on your own, sometimes it helps to bring in reinforcements. If you still feel you can't wake up, consider discussing this with a doctor. In this case, your physician can help find a proper treatment such as lifestyle changes, therapy, or medications.